problem? Кто бы ты ни был, не думай о себе слишком. Твоя свобода, кольцо стали, вбитое в детское горло пустышка. Особенно
Hey, how you doing?
Твоя свобода, глоток воды, за возможность дышать, просить прощения. Кожа розгами спущена.
Hey, Mickey.
What do you have?
Свобода связанных с
Glass of water.
Glass of water.
Черной обиды, проглоченный вопля, звук гниющий.
Bang, bang, you are dead. Wake up, you moron.
You got me?
Come over here. Sit down. You remember Ivan?
No.
Guy you saw me talking to. This guy. This guy.
Oh, yes. You guys had a little kiss.
Very funny. What would you say if I told you he was going to rob your cousin?
I'd say, what problem has he got with my cousin?
Hold on. Hey. Hey, gorgeous. No, I can't talk right now. What are you wearing? No, I mean underneath it. Great. Listen, I'll call you back, huh? Sorry.
Who was that?
Never you mind.
Was it Ivan?
Ooh, that's funny. You know, for a dumb yokel, you're a very funny guy.
Yes, and for an annoying dick, you're really an annoying dick.
Well, it's a real shame then, that I'm the guy with the powerful friends, and you're the little punk whose only friends is some fat weasel who drives a fucking cab!
So, why is Ivan going to rob my cousin?
Because I want you to kill him.
What?
He's angered Mikhail, Mr. Faustin, offended him. He think he's stealing some paperwork from her mom. You catch him and kill him. Then we say it was just a robbery that failed.
And what if I say, I don't want to be your hitman?
Then Mr. Faustin will be very angry with you. And your cousin.
Okay.
I knew we would understand each other once I put it in this simple way. Now, go wait for him by the car depot. Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, where were we? Okay, now listen. Let's talk about tonight.
Stole my first child. Rose, Martina. That was my next guess. The spirits were telling me both. No, wait. Martina. In a past life, you were called Rosa. That's where that was coming from. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That brick blade making me kill this guy! Man!
I see breastplates of gold shining as you march into battle. That's amazing. Civilization of your worship.
I'm gonna catch you, asshole!
Covered in pigeon shit. There is a man with bad teeth and dirty hair who has just been. I think you always so different names. Wait, this is fake. I'm going to hazard a guess. Your great-great-grandmother.
Slow the fuck up, asshole!
The spirits speak through me. She's telling me something about diamonds and true love.
Oh, that's great. Oh my God, I'm gonna marry a really rich guy. He's gonna wear lots of diamonds. You're kidding me? A rapper? Well, that's great.
No, it's going fake.
What? No!
Have you got another credit card? The spirit world is telling me her first card bounced.
I thought everyone in this country was fat and slow! You trying to rob my cousin? That's a... Vlad don't like you no more, man! There's nothing in this town! Don't do this for him! You're a fast one, aren't you? Ivan is dead. It came to a sticky end.
Hey, you and your cousin's girlfriend should get together. She likes sticky finish as well.
Fuck you! Say that to my face and I will break you!